Hey everyone, today I'm gonna be unboxing the new Insta360 X4. I bought the Get Set bundle from Amazon, so in this package it comes with one invisible selfie stick, one U3A2 V30 250GB memory card, and one lens cap. Let's take a moment to admire the aesthetic of this beauty. The Insta360 X4 isn't just a camera, it's a piece of modern art. With its sleek cylindrical body, the X4 boasts a futuristic look that's both elegant and functional. The matte black finish gives it a stealthy vibe, perfect for those covered ups when you're capturing life's most candid moments. This little port right here is the USB-C port, and you can use it to charge and transfer files to your PC. Here's the thread hole for your selfie stick. It's a standard 1/4 inch thread, which is common size used in tripods and selfie sticks. X4 has a larger screen size of 2.5 inches. That's a noticeable increase from the X3, giving you a bigger and better view of your shots. Plus, the X4 screen is made of Corning Gorilla Glass for better durability. Here's the manual and warranty card. This package comes with 2 removable standard lens guards. You will also get 2 Insta360 logo stickers. It also comes with a small travel case. This is designed to fit your camera without the rubber lens protector, but if you try to squeeze and close it, even with the rubber lens protector can all fit in. But it looks bulky in my opinion. The thermal grip cover is more than just a cover. It effectively reduces the surface temperature of the device, and it makes it more comfortable to hold when recording. It's recommended for recording videos in windless environments when the camera isn't moving. It comes with one Type-C to C USB cable. Inside the package, it also comes with one lens cloth. To install the lens guards, align the blue dot on the lens guards with the slot on the lower right side of the lens. Then rotate the lens guards clockwise and align it with the camera's microphone and make sure they are screwed on tightly. Now let's go ahead and do the initial setup. Install the phone application and connect it to X4 device. To connect your phone, open up the Insta360 app on your phone and click the camera icon at the bottom of the page. Then follow the on-screen instructions to activate your camera. If you're connecting to the Insta360 app for the first time, you'll need to authorize the connection on the touchscreen. It also comes with a rubber lens cap to protect your lens from dust and scratch. It's also designed to fit with your lens guard installed to your device. Micro SD card slot is located where your battery is placed, so you need to remove the battery first to install the memory card, then replace the battery. This bundle also comes with 114cm invisible selfie stick that will disappear from the final shot, giving you that magical floating camera effect. X4 360 mode can shoot 8K 30fps. For 5.7K plus, you can go up to 30fps. For 5.7K regular, you can go up to 60 fps, and for 4K you can shoot up to 100 fps. Now it's time to showcase the sample footages from Insta360 X4. for my first impression, this 360 camera definitely can be added to my camera travel bag. I love the shoot now, frame it later concept with this camera. With the invisible stick, I can shoot difficult angles without effort. I haven't even used auto modes yet, but I'm already impressed with this camera. This doesn't mean that X4 will replace my Pocket 3 and GoPro Hero 12, because in terms of video quality, Pocket 3 and GoPro Hero 12 still gets my vote. X4 would definitely my go-to camera when I'm riding my e-bike. The battery can last 75 minutes with 8K 30 FPS. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.